Foundation Tipra Motha ni Sini Maharaj Kadut Kishore Maniko no ang Kulumo Bini Prerona Baino Obotini Asubzara Mahagogo Monotaibo Kaito Hamaritum Tayo Kainai Sini Joto Block District Block, President Secretary, members, the Leader of Opposition, Honorable MLS Rock, Honorable MDCs Rock, the Motha local leaders, youth, students, Joto Nangka Kahamru, Tinoro, Third Foundation of Nara Jetono CEO, Asuk Dora Baino, BC Katam Baino, Sini Asuk, MLA of Maonka, District Council, Administration Board, so Yago Manka, Obono Apol Tainani, Obono Jini Yago Tonani, Ang BC Brumni, Anibakano, Ang Katal Tayo, Tinibo Ang 1969 Wildlife Protection ni Ain Sakha ani Moisle Bukurni jacket no ang Silongo Boro Bazar Lanu no offer tailoring Dorji Lanu Tomo Bono ang price suri mani Tabo potai kini prai 40-50 bosor ni ulo ang Sakha chungoy bo paika jagata kichi-kicha ongkai puno aproni ani bakhaje juan tong mani Ani bakasi kawai tong mani, abon mo itu kailan bagay no, ani sak no, juan kailan bagay tini, ani ubus le bukur no, am tumoy kayo. I believe all the young people would like to learn new things today on the very 3rd anniversary of our day, of Foundation Day, and you should review and renew your life, make yourself younger. Today, remembering my age at the time of 1969, when there was the government of India, neither state government introduced Wildlife Protection Act. So I caught this python from Kachar, Assam. So I took it, I had taken to Arundhati Nagar training center, I got it trained, and I got forest clearance also. Then I have stitched it at Boro Bazar, Shillong. Lanu, one good tailoring was there, who could stitch both the sides, I can wear it. So I was so happy at that time that I could have this jacket. Today, it renewed my heart and my mind. I'm still the young man of 1969. So I advise all the youngsters today, because of our beloved Maharaj, we have 13 number of MLA, and the ADC administration is in party's hand. Although many people do not remember the party performance, they want to do everything of their own institutional capacity. Anyway, I have no problem, but at the end, whether you will be proud enough to say that because I have done this or that, today I can still enjoy my past life. I fought a good fight. I can say today, I finished my course, I'm going to be 80 soon. So still I can walk this much, and I am able to share my idea with others. So today I want to give this heart and mindset and challenge to every young people today. We are all young. Our Maharajas are so young, so nice, so beautiful, walking here and there today. He had taken the shoulder of entire our state's affair and taking different direction of talking with the government, different agencies of the government, so that we can achieve something for our people. Tini boni bagai na jot na ma koyo Boroi ong thung, chala ong thung, the student, the youth, businessmen, maybe employees, you have all equal responsibility. It's not time for long speech. Abonang tayo sa sanay, narawtini onek, onsa side basoro ongkana, sotru pongkana, kintu, nung sak no burat atongdi, broiro bogot atongdi. Nung sikha, nung jiwan, nini jatin bagay, you have responsibility. Upon a challenge, naninong tunay, ang third Foundation Day of Tipra Motha, niyo dato na ang baka sharing map bagay, mapachawo. All the best, good luck.